Have you ever wondered what color would look best for your kitchen cabinets? Or perhaps you're looking to create a fresh new look in your kitchen but don't know where to start? Get ready to be inspired. In this video, we will reveal the top 10 most popular kitchen cabinet colors of 2024 that will make your kitchen the center of attention. Do you already have a favorite color in mind for your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. Earthy Greens paint color. Earthy greens, including shades like sage and forest green, are becoming increasingly popular. These colors are reminiscent of nature and evoke a sense of tranquility. Imagine the fresh, vibrant look of a lush garden right in your kitchen, creating a serene and calming atmosphere. Earthy greens bring the outdoors in, making your kitchen feel like a peaceful retreat. These shades promote relaxation and a sense of well-being, ideal for a space where you spend a lot of time cooking and entertaining. The natural tones of earthy greens can also help to ground your space, providing a perfect balance between style and comfort. Consider these earthy green options from Paint Brand. Number 2. Warm Beige paint color. Warm beige is a versatile and timeless choice for kitchen cabinets. It strikes a perfect balance between stark white and bolder hues, offering a cozy and inviting feel. Shades can range from soft sand to deeper, richer beiges, each bringing its unique charm. This color adds a touch of elegance and warmth to any kitchen. It's ideal for creating a neutral backdrop that allows other elements of your kitchen to shine. Warm beige can make your kitchen feel inviting and comfortable, a place where family and friends naturally gather. Consider these warm beige options from Paint Brand. Number 3. Dark blue paint color. For those who love a touch of drama, dark blue cabinets are the way to go. Shades like navy and midnight blue offer a sophisticated and chic look. Dark blue can be both bold and versatile, making it a standout choice for modern kitchens. Dark blue cabinets create a stunning contrast with lighter elements in your kitchen. This color pairs beautifully with metallic accents and adds a sense of depth and richness. Dark blue can make your kitchen feel elegant and luxurious, a space where you can entertain with style. Consider these dark blue options from Paint Brand. Number 4. Rich brown paint color. Rich brown cabinets embrace the natural wood tones, bringing a sense of warmth and comfort to your kitchen. From deep mahogany to lighter walnut, rich brown offers a range of beautiful, earthy shades. This color is perfect for mid-century modern designs and adds a welcoming aura. Rich brown can make your kitchen feel cozy and inviting, a perfect spot for family gatherings and home-cooked meals. The natural wood tones also add a timeless appeal that can complement various design styles. Consider these rich brown options from Paint Brand. Number 5. Warm gray paint color. Warm gray is the new neutral, moving away from the cool-toned grays. It offers a balanced and modern look, making it an excellent choice for contemporary kitchens. Shades can vary from light, silvery grays to deeper, more charcoal-like tones. Warm gray cabinets provide a versatile backdrop that works well with both bold and subtle accents. This shade can create a harmonious and sophisticated kitchen space, perfect for those who want a modern and stylish kitchen without committing to stark colors. Consider these warm gray options from Paint Brand. Number 6. Bold black paint color. Black cabinets are making a bold statement in 2024. Sleek and timeless, black cabinetry adds a touch of sophistication and modernity to any kitchen. From matte finishes to glossy lacquers, black offers a range of stylish options that can fit various design aesthetics, from minimalist and modern to classic and luxurious. Black cabinets can make a strong visual impact, creating a focal point in your kitchen. This color is versatile and can be paired with various textures and finishes to achieve different looks, from industrial chic to elegant sophistication. The depth and richness of black can also add a sense of intimacy and warmth to the space, making your kitchen feel both dramatic and inviting. Consider these bold black options from Paint Brand. Number 7. OffWhite paint color. Warmer than stark white, OffWhite cabinets create an inviting and cozy atmosphere. This color works well with wood accents and is perfect for those who want a bright yet warm kitchen space. Shades can range from creamy ivories to soft, buttery whites, each adding a subtle warmth and depth that pure white lacks. Off-white cabinets can brighten up your kitchen while maintaining a warm and welcoming feel. They provide a neutral canvas that complements a variety of styles, making it easy to update other elements of your kitchen without changing the cabinets. Off-white can make your kitchen feel more spacious and open, perfect for both small and large kitchens. Consider these off-white options from Paint Brand. Number 8. Sage Green Paint Color. A softer take on green, sage green cabinets are soothing and elegant. This color is associated with calmness and serenity, making it an excellent choice for a tranquil kitchen environment. Sage green offers a subtle, muted hue that can bring a touch of nature into your kitchen. Sage green cabinets can make your kitchen feel peaceful and inviting. This color is perfect for creating a relaxing and harmonious environment, a place where you can unwind and enjoy cooking. The soft, muted tones of sage green also add a touch of sophistication and elegance, making it a versatile choice for various kitchen styles. Consider these sage green options from Paint Brand. Number 9. Warm Terracotta Paint Color. Warm terracotta cabinets bring a touch of the Mediterranean to your kitchen. This vibrant and earthy color adds a warm and welcoming feel, reminiscent of sun-baked clay and rustic charm. Terracotta shades can range from deep, rich reds to softer, peachy tones, each adding a unique warmth to your kitchen. Terracotta cabinets can create a rustic and charming kitchen space. This color is perfect for those who want a lively and inviting kitchen that feels both homey and stylish. The earthy tones of terracotta can also add a sense of warmth and comfort, making your kitchen a cozy retreat where friends and family can gather. Consider these warm terracotta options from Paint Brand. Number 10. Muted Pastels Paint Color. Soft and subtle, muted pastels like dusty pinks and light blues are making a comeback. These colors add a gentle and refreshing touch to your kitchen, perfect for creating a light and airy feel. Muted pastels offer a delicate balance between color and neutrality, adding a subtle pop of color without overwhelming the space. Muted pastels can create a light and airy feel in your kitchen. These colors are perfect for those who want a soft and elegant kitchen space that feels fresh and inviting. The gentle tones of muted pastels can also add a touch of whimsy and charm, making your kitchen a delightful space where you can enjoy both cooking and dining. Consider these muted pastels options from Paint Brand. So there you have it. Choosing the perfect kitchen cabinet color can truly transform your space. Whether you're dreaming of earthy greens, cozy beiges, or dramatic blacks, there's a 2024 trend waiting for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and create a kitchen that's uniquely yours. Want more kitchen inspiration? Hit that subscribe button for fresh ideas every week. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow kitchen lovers. See you next time.